Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. This is part 2 of the Manali to Leh ride. The most dangerous road in India, they say. We're all loaded and ready to go, guys. Exciting. This is going to be a big day. Turn my indicator off. The only one that's still left on there. Yeah, big day today. We're riding this way towards Leh. Hopefully I can find some petrol along the way. I do have a 23 litre tank, as I've told you all, but we shall see. Hopefully you can see it on the GoPro, but that's where we'll be riding all upside the mountain there. Just incredible. Later on today we'll be doing rides like that, but it'll be dirt road instead of bitumen. Just went through my second police checkpoint. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh my God. Just stopped for a quick chai. Look at this, guys. Unbelievable. Really.
Hello, sir.
Oh, just here to do, my friend. Thank you. Having my tea. And we'll be doing some mountain passes pretty soon. I forget the name, but it's one of the highest in the world. The air's too thin to use my sound bomb. Just nothing coming out. Oh, well, that was a bit scary, guys, but I went across a water crossing that I've seen a million times in YouTube, and the only reason those guys have had so much trouble getting through it is because they were on the wrong bikes, riding Royal Enfield Thunderbirds and things, because it really was quite easy. You can hear me sniffing. It's so cold, and I'm wearing fingerless gloves, and I'm doing that because I can't control the helmet cam with my winter gloves, so I'm suffering for my art. This, guys, it's like the scene out of the original Total Recall where Arnold Schwarzenegger and his girlfriend get blown out of the space station. It really does look like a Mars landscape. Sergio. Oh, just done another police check. Like the first one's just over there, another one just here. I'm going to get 3 or 4 litres of fuel here just to make sure. Just amazing, guys. What a day. And it's still only, oh, not even 10 o'clock yet. You can see it on the GoPro, guys, but you can see a road going up here, zigzagging up there, and then it's just suddenly disappeared in that big rock fall. So that's probably someone's home up there. There would have had to have been a reason they built such a complex road, and then it's just disappeared round the corner there with the rock fall. Okay, guys, this is why if you want to do Ladakh, do it soon, because all these tunnels and bitumen, it's not going to be long before this whole thing's beautiful roads, and it'll still be worth coming to then. Look around me, but it'll all be nice bridges like that, bitumen roads, tunnels through the passes. Another police checkpoint. They just take your passport details and your vehicle registration. just did back there.
वापस जाना back.
No, Leh.
इधर से फिर back. जा go to Leh.
Yeah.
Leh जाना.
Is that all? Thank you, my friend. I just went past a crazy man on a push bike down here doing this on a push bike. This is a section of the old road. So that's what it would have been like just 2 years ago, guys. So I'm kind of happy that I've got this nice road, but I'm also kind of disappointed that I didn't have this challenge. Lucky this guy is just caught on a ledge. Fuck me. That would have been scary, guys. Scary, scary. Guys, I just pulled over to say hello to these guys and change my helmet cam battery. Say hello.
Hello.
This is Probek. He's been riding for a year. He's done 5 countries so far, and he's 27 countries.
No, 37.
37 is his plan before he finishes. Just unbelievable, guys. And this hill, I don't know if the GoPro's doing it justice, but this has been a hard ride for Libby, let alone on a push bike. Anyway, guys, enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Oh, my friend. How are you, my friend?
Where are you coming from? I am fine. How are you?
I'm Paul. I've just come from Jispa today.
Just come from Jispa.
Yeah,
How is the road condition from Jispa?
it's okay. There's a couple of little water crossings, but nothing major.
Water crossing. How many water crossing are there?
2 or 3, but 2 that are a bit hard. One's easy.
Too hard.
Yeah.
Can I cross there?
Yeah, you'll be all right, mate. Just be careful. It's different on this. I just went straight through, but you're a bit more in the rocks. But just be careful. You'll be all right.
Okay.
And what about this way?
Sorry.
The road this way?
Yes. More plan.
Good?
All the best.
Good on you, mate. Enjoy. Oh, yeah. Right. YouTube channel.
Thank you.
I recognise in YouTube, this used to be the main water crossing here, the really, really hard one. Dirt roads. I'm a bit disappointed, but it's alright, I'm still riding Ladakh. This is Nakila crossing. 15,547 feet, and I'll have to tell you guys, I'm not really feeling the altitude, but we'll find out when we stop somewhere. Well guys, I just stopped to say hello to some more crazy bike riders, and they've been filming me for about 10 minutes. Hello. Telling me the bitumen ends, so I think I have about 40 kilometres, so about an hour and a half maybe of this. Oh, the new road up there where you can see all those trucks. But they're actually building the road at the top, so they sent me back down this way, and a lot of trucks did a lot of manoeuvring to let me get past, so what's happening up here? Well, we're at Tangalunga. 12th highest pass in the world, 17,482 feet. So we're getting higher as we go on. But look at this, guys. Look at this. Unbelievable. Well, I'm going to take a couple of Panadol because I've got a bit of a headache, and I don't know if it's from my neck or from the altitude, but either way, my head hurts. I've got to stop because this rock breaker's up there doing some stuff. What a day. It says I'm 20 minutes to the fuel stop that Vikas told me about. I don't think I actually need fuel, but I'll put a couple of litres in there just in case, and I'll find somewhere to sleep. Sorry guys, my brain's not working very well. I'm going to blame it on the altitude. Well, that was the most nerve-wracking, amazing, exciting day I've ever had in my life, I think, guys. That was just incredible. But I've got plenty of footage to make the second video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.